she believes that अगर love सच्चा है तो it will overcome every challenge, right? Do you guys really think, you yourself believe in that? Is it a very idealistic view, very filmy अफसानवी view, or you believe कि नहीं, अगर love सच्चा है तो दुनिया का challenge कोई भी हो हम जीत जाएंगे?
100%.
100%.
100%. That's
Okay.
actually love is जो दुनिया का सबसे ज़्यादा एक forefront पे एक energy source है that exists between the human soul, the human heart, the human
Yeah.
mind. It is love, you know. हम हर वक्त यही सीख कर रहे होते हैं. हम जो काम भी कर रहे हैं, why are we doing what we're doing? Because we love art, we love our jobs, we love
Yeah.
expressing ourselves. Everyone on this set, they're doing what they're doing because they love it. When you take love out of any equation,
Yeah.
everything falls flat. There's no purpose
Yeah.
in anything.
True.
हम वरना तो even it's not even just something that exists in us humans. It's something that exists in
Animals also.
animals as well. You know, you have your dog and you're the whole world.
वो मुझे लगता था
So-
जैसे ये जेन जी आती जा रही है, लव थोड़ा कमर्शियल भी होता जा रहा है, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल भी होता जा रहा है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई वांटेड टू आस्क कि क्या अभी भी मोहब्बत में लोग कुछ भी करने को तैयार हैं, या अब मोहब्बत में कुछ मटेरियलिस्टिक फैक्टर्स भी इन्वॉल्व हो गए हैं?
लव की डेफिनेशन तो चेंज होती रहेगी. आज कुछ
रहेगी.
और है, 100 साल बाद कुछ और हो जाएगा, 200-300 साल बाद कुछ और हो जाएगा. वो ज़माना था जहाँ पे चिट्ठियाँ लिखी जाती थी, 3 महीने इंतज़ार होता था. अब तो वो ज़माना है where you look at someone on Instagram, you're with someone and then you suddenly realize, oh यार, you know, if I wasn't तो क्या ज़िंदगी क्या हो सकती थी. So dynamics, as you evolve, as the world evolves, things change and they change the meaning of a lot of things जो human civilization की beginning से exist करी थी, like love, like pain, like hurt as well. सिर्फ ये इनसे बदलती रहेंगी चीज़ें, लेकिन essence वही रहेगी, I feel. But हाँ, ये आगे पीछे होंगी चीज़ें कि commercialize होगा,
Yeah.
मायने बदलेगा, कोई कुछ कहेगा, कोई कुछ
Materialistic भी हो
कहेगा,
जाएगा
materialism
थोड़ा.
बीच में आएगी. लेकिन love languages वही universal रहेंगी, you know, which is like physical touch, etc.
I think everyone perceives love differently. I do think that yes, love is the answer. It is the beginning and end of everything in this world. But I think हर किसी की अपनी definition है और हर किसी की अपनी understanding है love की. It gets problematic when you think love is this and then you look at someone else's understanding of it and then you know लोग अपने प्यार को, रिश्तों को किसी मोल्ड में डालने की जब कोशिश करते हैं ना, it doesn't work.
Okay.
I would think that, and I think that it should be free, it should be authentic. People should be able to experience lives in the most authentic way when they're in love, and yeah, love should be easy. I think yes, relationships need work.
Yeah.
When you fall in love, it should be easy. It shouldn't be ओ ये लड़का करता क्या है, कमाता क्या है, ओ ये लड़की कैसी दिखती है क्या. आई थिंक लव इज़ अ वेरी रॉ इमोशन. आप सही कह रही हैं, कमर्शलाइज हो गया है. पीपल थिंक ऑफ मैनी फैक्टर्स नाउ व्हेन दे think they might fall in love. So it's not like, oh, I fell in love. It's like, should I fall in? So I think that has happened.
I know.
And
I get scared of that,
I wish
you
that
know?
stops because
Yeah.
you know that is really taking away from the meaning of love. But I think love
You're
truly
so
is
right.
there.
I see this happening around me, that you're looking at a profile or somebody you met and like, should I think about settling in with this
Yeah,
person?
should I
or
fall in love? How
fall in
can
love? Yeah,
अच्छा,
you
वैसे
know.
मुझे तो in my personal life, like I've now stepped away from falling in love. I want to grow in love. You know, there's a huge
वाह,
difference.
वाह.
क्योंकि बहुत गिर के देख लिया है प्यार में. I literally fell in love and I just fell.
No, I'd like to fall.
You like to fall?
मैं बिल्कुल नहीं गिरी हूँ तो I would like to fall.
Oh,
in
you're
love.
very lucky.
ठीक है. हम एक क्विक आप लोगों के साथ क्विज करें. जेन जी
अल्लाह
की
खैर. ओ भाई.
जेन जी की टर्मिनोलॉजी.
अच्छा.
हाँ. Let's see if you guys
या
know it.
अल्लाह.
Ghosting. What is it?
What is what?
Ghosting.
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 Oh, I know.
वो तो
Like if you're
मैं बिल्कुल नहीं करता.
कुछ यहाँ पे मुझे
दाल में काला
लग रहा है.
नहीं, मुझे
छोटी
लोग
दाढ़ी
घोस्ट
वाली.
कर देते हैं.
ये
Yes.
किसकी मजाल है दानियाल?
मैं आपको
Who did
बता रहा हूँ,
that?
मेरी भाभियाँ मेरा मजाक उड़ा रही होती हैं कि लोगों को लगता है कि पता नहीं ये क्या लड़का है, लेकिन
Oh God.
people don't know that I'm the one who gets played, I'm the one who gets ghosted.
Okay, what about you? You.
No, I know the meaning of
Okay,
ghosting.
ठीक है. So this is the one. आपने मावरा को ही समझाना है. अच्छा, ये वाला तो आसान वाला निकला है. So
ले.
you have to explain to Mavra
Okay.
this word without using
to
the words that we have written here.
Okay.
ठीक है. देखिए ये आसान है, हम
जेन जी वर्ड है जो मैंने गेस करना
हाँ,
है।
yeah, ठीक है। You this one, or I can give you another option also. Trying to pick up a smaller
ये-
word जितना थोड़ा सा।
नहीं ये अच्छा है
Oh,
लेकिन ये
this is
trick-
also nice.
ये समझाने में ट्रिकी
हाँ,
बहुत
ये
है।
वाला देखें, ये अच्छा है।
अब ट्रिकी वाले मेरे पास ना आ जाए।
So you can tell her the word. पूछिए अगर इनको मतलब पता है या नहीं पता, and then try to
अच्छा।
explain to her without using this word. ठीक है? This is a good one.
Okay. It's when अच्छा मैं वो लफ्ज नहीं कह
नहीं,
सकता ना।
आप पूरे ऊपर वाली बता दें,
हाँ।
then ask her if she knows what it is.
अच्छा, ऊपर वाला वर्ड है sip tea.
सिप्टी।
Sip tea like
Sip tea.
Sip tea.
हाँ.
Of course it doesn't mean sipping tea, but like
What do you think?
I don't know.
it
I
could
think
be?
tea means gossip.
Yeah.
Oh, not bad. Okay, लेकिन
ये तो
थोड़ा सा
पहला
फर्क
लफ्ज़ ही
है।
लिखा हुआ है।
नहीं, but थोड़ा सा फर्क है।
Sipping tea would mean like enjoying gossip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's exactly. Sip tea is an alternative
Yeah.
to spilling
Yeah,
the tea,
no,
meaning
no.
you're sitting
Urva
back and
and I-
listening to gossip.
Ask each other what's the tea.
Okay.
We are those siblings.
अच्छा भाई, nice.
We give
Okay.
each other some
Mavra,
tea
your
every
turn
day.
now. You have to explain this one
I'm
too.
gonna fail at this miserably.
TFW.
That feeling one.
Yeah.
हाँ, that
You
was
got it.
easy. अच्छा जी, मैं चेक भी करती जा रही हूँ, आप लोगों को अच्छे वाले दे रही हूँ। ये भी अच्छा है, ये भी आसान है।
अच्छा.
Yeah. ये आप दोनों बीच में रख लें और उठाते जाएं जल्दी जल्दी। हाँ,
बताएं.
आसान है ये, नहीं?
पता नहीं इनकी लैंग्वेज में वो आएगा कभी या नहीं. Okay, even I've never said that in my life. But what do you say when
No, you have to say the word.
Yeah, you have to say the word.
Yeah, I keep forgetting this.
It's okay.
Snack.
Snack.
What do you think it would be?
Snack. Like
ये ना करो.
like snack time.
No, ये ना करो. एक second. Snack.
No, like does it have like a bad meaning?
No, not a bad.
Yeah, like I think snacking like
अच्छा अब आप explain
Like
करें ना,
food.
make her guess.
It's
Make her guess now.
it's something.
Yeah.
snack.
It's something you say when you know you find someone good looking or.
No, you have to explain to her. You can't tell her what it is.
मैं ये explain कैसे करूँ?
यही तो
मुझे
challenge
पता
है।
It's like,
यही तो
oh
challenge
yeah,
Oh, no.
she's. I can't say it.
I wouldn't know.
You wouldn't use the word.
Yeah, even I wouldn't.
But that's
use
what it's
it.
implying now.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't use
Like
this
if
word.
there's
I
a-
figured.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah. So if there's somebody nice you like,
Yeah.
then you would use
No,
this word.
I wouldn't ever say that
I
about
know,
someone ever. I would
Snack.
find it very derogatory.
But ये Gen Z के
Oh,
words
this is
कभी
so
नहीं
easy.
निकाले।
GOAT.
Geo.
Goat.
Oh.
It's like the
Okay,
easiest.
ठीक है, अगला
ever.
वाला। तो आपको आसान मिला है।
हाँ, मैं
मुश्किल वाला निकालें।
बहुत ही आसान था इनका तो.
अच्छा जी.
हाँ जी.
Drip.
What?
Very easy. Drip.
Drip. Drip. ऐसे मैंने बोला जैसे मुझे पता है. Oh, drip. And then I'm like, oh, जो IV लगती है hospital में, but I'm sure it's not that.
हाँ।
Drip.
बताइए भाई, guess करवाएं क्या
ये
है?
मेरा. It's
A person.
no. What they.
Where?
Yeah.
What they wear.
Style.
Yeah, their style basically.
Style, cool,
Really?
white, right?
How do
Yeah.
you
Like
use
look at look at his drip. I like your drip.
मुझे भी नहीं पता, totally, you know.
अल्लाह खैर ही
I'm
करे।
liking the
पहले
way
You got
हम
your
बोल
you
रहे
got
हैं
your
ना,
wedding drip on, bro.
पहले हम बोल रहे हैं प्यार कमर्शियलाइज हो रहा है, अब हम बोल रहे हैं what a snack, what a drip, like क्या मजाक है यार.
What a snack.
अच्छा सस.
Like sus is like suspicious के.
मेरे लिए
off
मुश्किल
scene.
निकल रहे हैं.
He
No
knows
suspicious,
it.
even I knew.
Okay.
Stan.
Stan, like you know how the fans say that I
Yeah.
stan you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, you
So
got
sweet.
it.
Sweet of my
चलिए
fans to
लास्ट
say
हम
that.
मावरा के साथ करते हैं, इससे पहले लोग हमें बोले अब निकलना शुरू करें।
Bet. What does it mean?
Bet like yeah sure. Fit.
Yeah, he knew. Very good. I want to see one that you didn't know, Tanya. Let's see if this is the last one he knows.
Yeah, बहुत ही आसान है. Fam.
चलिए लास्ट वाला।
बोलने की जरूरत भी नहीं।
मावरा is like boring.
और क्या निकल रहा है? या हटा दे बीच में से. लोकी. बताएं अब इसमें कुछ
जो कि मैं
बताने का
रहना
है?
चाह रहा हूँ.
अच्छा है ना, you
मैं
also
सोचा
know ना?
स्नैक ड्रिप ये तो मुश्किल थे.
Tanya, she's
Snack. Drip. ये
हाँ यार ये मुझे अच्छा लगता है, ये मैं यूज भी करती हूँ. लिविंग रेंट फ्री.